Welcome back to Pokimane TCG. Today we will be doing 40 packs of Chaos Rising, but we're going to be doing it in with 10 of each pack art of the Mega Greninja, Mega Pyroar, or Mega what can I say the name? Draga and Mega Floette. So I do not know why I cannot say Dragalage. So, but we're going to start with that one. And to give everybody a little update, I was kind of wrong, but so I'm at right now about 285 packs open, and I am 10 cards short of my master set. So I am still looking for the Frogadier, the Ampharos of the IRs, and looking for the full art of the Mega Dragalge. That's how you say it. And then this kind of hard. Then the Cinccino of the full art. Izzy's Tranquility of the full art. The special red card, the full art. The Mega Floette SIR, Mega Dragalge SIR, Cinccino SIR, and Rosie's Performance SIR. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm down to 10. And I believe I said it's 285. So we're going to go ahead and start and get these going. And we put that right there. So we're going to grab the stack of 10 of the Mega Dragalge, if that's how I'm saying it, or if it's how it is. I'm not sure. I'm not paying attention when I watch other stuff, so a little bit my bad. So how's everybody's week going? Because this is going to be the last big one. I might still do 4 ETBs, but I cannot find ETBs right now, or at least at a good price. And also, this is a mixture of sleeve singles, booster bundle, and 3-pack, which you saw in my last video, which you need to do a 3-pack, turned out to be pretty good. You should watch that one. That was pretty good turnaround. So we'll see what's the best hit rate for this one out of each pack out art, and we'll count them at the end and see if it matters. Might not matter at all. It could be just luck of the draw, but hey, we'll see. So and if you did see my Mega Crobat. Nice, that's a nice one to start off with. Nice IR. Do have that one, but again, nice one. Starting to editing my videos, and my first one has come out. The one before this one with all the 3-packs. I'm working on the editing of that one right now. That should be out. Well, if you're seeing this, it should already be out, but I'm currently working on the editing of it. It takes me a little time because I'm still learning all that stuff, and my daughter is making me a starting scene, drawing it herself, and a watermark. So she's working on that. I don't know if these videos are gonna get that in it, but in the near future they will be. So far only one hit. I don't know if 10 packs was enough, but that's all that I could really afford. 40 packs, that's more than a booster box. So I figured that it's enough to kind of give an idea if it actually matters, which right now not looking too good. The Mega Dragouge pack art. It's only one, but we'll continue to see. Does anybody have their favorite one so far from this set? My favorite one so far is the IR Chespin in the forest. I think that one looks really cute, and it also reminds me of the Pikachu in the Forest Chew, or whatever everybody is calling it. So I think that one's pretty cute. It looks like we have an EX in the back. Yep. We did have something weird happen. Actually, well, I opened one pack and 2 hits came out. I'm not sure if that is a thing that's supposed to happen or if that's just an error, but if you watch the last video, you'll see that. In regular sets, I've never seen that happen, so I'm not sure if that was intentional or or if it was just a factory error. Okay, last pack. So if my math is, or not math, but from opening everything else, probably at about a 40%. So not quite 50%, so 20 hits, so it should be probably, I would say 18, 19, maybe down. I think it should be over 15 and 16. So, but this one is not helping so much too, so we'll see if the other ones do. But there is a lot of single ones, so maybe I should have single sleeve, so maybe I should have mixed them up a little bit more. But so 2 on the Mega Dragouge. Here is Mega Floette one. Pack art. Move these over here. Okay, I'm gonna try to speed it up a little bit. We're at 10 minutes. Trying to always keep these right around 25, so oops, a little far, so we know we don't have a back hit and don't have IR. And so let's see if we can, very least of anything, I'd like to have get 1 or 2 cards that I do not have out of the 10. Opening 200 and, or 85-ish packs, you'd think I'd be closer than 10 cards the master set, especially with some of the ones that I've pulled already. Well, let's hope. Wow, I'm starting because, like I said, I put a lot of sleeve packs in these, so that's the cheapest way to get them. And I always thought I would think I'd have the best hit rate. Well, proved myself wrong with that, especially with the 36 I opened, and I have not had great hit rates out of it, and this is showing that as well. So, like I said, maybe I should have added more booster bundles and 3-packs into it, because this is definitely the hit rate's definitely not great. Okay, I think we got at the back. We got Full Art Mega Pyroar 4. Okay, cool. It's a nice hit. Okay, so this one is halfway on this set. So we'll see. So there's 4 more after this one. Okay. They're definitely slow. So, but have been having fun doing these. Editing is a little time consuming, but very interesting as well. Just, trying to add as much as I can to it. So, but this is fun, it's nice to document it as well. So even if, I do this for 6 months and it doesn't go anywhere, at least it's nice little, document of, my journey in Pokemon. So it's been fun. So, but I got some really good videos planned coming up. Maybe a little bit more exciting than just straight up like pack battles, or not pack battles, but just straight up opening a whole bunch of packs from one set. Like I said, more pack battles and opening some Chinese packs and Japanese. So that's gonna start up in the next week or so. And Crocodile. So far 2 and 2. Interesting. So got 4 hits so far. So now it's Mega Pyroar. So let's see if these will start. Maybe their hit rate is right. So 2 and 2 seems like it should be higher, because I would assume that they would be very, very close to even. But I mean, those two are even. So there we go. And that is one I needed. So awesome. So at least I have one that I did need for my master set. So now I'm down to 9. Awesome. So we'll see. Let's see maybe if these do have a lot more, because I was expecting the very least should have been 15 hits out of these 40 packs. Just how I'm thinking it, because it's been over 40% from everything else that I've done and I've seen online. Well, this is already matched, so that's great. I'm gonna move some of this bulk over, running into it. So, but 2 for 2 so far, so maybe it is thing, but we'll see. Still got 8 more of these to go, and then 10 of the Mega Greninja. So but everybody excited though for June 1st. I think it's June 1st. It's going to be the release of what the 30th anniversary set is going to be, which now that I'm talking about, this video is going to come after that. So what did you all think of it? I think this is going to be coming out, maybe it might even be coming out June 1st. This might be coming out June 1st or June 2nd. Not 100% sure yet. But what do you all think of the 30th anniversary set? I'm hoping that's going to be pretty good. Of course, but ooh, Mega Dragigo. Okay, so this one so far has the most. I heard that there's going to be 5 cards in each pack, and each pack is going to have a guaranteed Pikachu. That's the rumor I heard. I'm not 100% sure if that's true, but I know that these special sets, the celebrations, and what was the other one? The celebrations, and I forget what the other one was called, but some of them had, they didn't have quite 10 Mega Floette. Well, at least with this, Pyro has doubled, or now it's got as many as the other 2 together, and we just hit halfway. So we got 5 more packs to go, counting this one. So still would be hoping for at least 2 more hits. So we'll see. But yeah, let me know what you think about that Mega Floette. So that's, I guess, my favorite one to pull, Mega Floette, because Mega Floette flows all the time. Excuse me. But yeah, looking forward to seeing what's going to come out. Wonder if they're going to do yellow borders, or if they're going to make like the old, there's Nair hinting back, they're going to make older cards with the gray borders. Mega Greninja. Wow. This one has all the EXs. Back one with a Floette, but everything else is an EX. Okay, 3 more to go on this one. So, but yeah, let me know. See, do we get a hit now? Oh, we do. Oh, Matang. Well, Mega Platform definitely coming through on this. So right now it's definitely winning. So let's see, this is the second to last pack, and finally, yes. Frogadier. This one I really need to. This one and Ampharos are the 2 IRs I needed. So So awesome. There we go. So now I have the whole set of that. And the last pack for the Mega Pyroar. And we'll do a real quick recap of what we got. And then we'll head to Mega Greninja. And Centurion EX. Wow. This one has been great. Got two that I needed. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We got 9 hits out of 10 packs. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's 13 total hits. And like I said, I was hoping for right around 18. So this one just needs five hits, which would be 50%, which not necessarily unheard of. So here's the Mega Greninja, 10 packs. Let's do it. So here we go. Last pack magics. Why am I doing that? So let's see. Right now, Mega Pyroar is definitely winning. And I guess it's only one pack. They didn't. So it didn't. So if there's not one in this one, then Mega Pyroar definitely wins, unless there's like an SIR or a gold card in this one. I think there's a hit in the back. Looks like it's. Yep. EX. Or guess. I'm not sure. But I am horrible with all kinds of names. But there was a hit, so technically this still could do it. So let's see, but wanting right around 5 hits in this to get my guess. Nope. So right now, unless something weird happens, where there's double pulls in a couple packs, which, like I said before, it did happen. Mega Pyroar definitely won this. So here we go. And is there? Nope. For a second, that border looked like it could be something, but it wasn't. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 packs left, counting this one. I know, again, this is going to be a little late, but did anybody hit at a Sam's Club on their drop on the 26th? I was able to get 1. But energy retrieval. Nice. Just pulled that the other night, but nice full art. Okay, well, that is now matched the other 2, so hopefully Greninja will get 3 more hits out of these 5, which again is very possible because hit rate's been very close to 50%. So we'll see. And yeah, but let me know if you guys hit on Sam's Club. Just curious. Because I was able to get one, but it took me, I want to say 45 minutes of spamming the add button. The app was dead, like it was horrible. So I was trying to do both, but I was hoping to get 2, so I'd open 1, but right now I'm not going to be opening that unless I could get another one for about the same price. Okay, well, we got 3 more to go, and I think we're at 9, 13, 15. So we're at 15. So we're right at what a booster box should be at. So with 4 more packs, now you would assume 2 more. So I guess, we're right at it. I think I was going up a little high. It's back to back. And okay, we got 2 more to go. So, wow, if this is true, then definitely get the Pyroars, because if it sticks like this, 2, 2, and 2, Pyroar definitely kicked its butt. And all the other packs' butts. There's another one of these. So we did get another hit, but same one. Okay, last pack of magic. Okay, so we're gonna go all the way through. Normally, no cutting. So here we go. Phantom, Kribish, Litleo, Wimpod, Deoxys. Ooh, my light just went off. Delbird, Philip, Watchog, Zerinus, and Oh-Oh. Well, so we got 4. In 1 sec, I'm going to turn on light.